Governments are starting to buckle down on companies that might be a threat to climate change by requiring certain businesses to provide reports regarding their sustainability efforts. And Europe has already done this with the CSRD. The CSRD, or the Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive, was first drafted in April 2021 before being officially published in the European Union's official journal in December 2022. The CSRD will officially enter force in January 2024 and require large companies established across Europe to publish non-financial reports, which include information on their business risks, opportunities, and impacts on ESG issues. Ultimately, the CSRD is an effort to make non-financial disclosures the new norm across the continent. The CSRD is replacing the NFRD, which was the previous non-financial reporting directive required for various companies in Europe. The CSRD serves as an update from the NFRD, as it requires reports to be made in a new digital format, for the information in the report to be verified by an auditor or another independent organisation, and most importantly, it requires almost 50,000 companies to report in comparison to the 11,600 that were required to report with the NFRD. Companies that don't comply with the requirements of the CSRD could be in serious trouble. Consequences could include needing to issue a public statement, taking responsibility for not complying with the standard, being issued a cessation, and even fines for any profit made as a result of non-compliance. In the end, the CSRD is aiming to improve transparency in business and make this non-financial information readily available to anyone who wishes to view it, such as your investors, your customers, and your stakeholders. Companies can take action and prepare to comply with the CSRD by learning about all the subject matters that should be covered in their reports, such as ESG factors and the importance of materiality analysis. This way, companies can develop a portfolio of their actions regarding these factors to later share in their report when the time comes. Transparency is key to sustainability, and the CSRD aims to do that one report at a time.